If you're seeing a 400 bad request error with a message like cookie too large in Firefox, don't worry, because this is usually caused by a website storing too much cookie data in your browser. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to fix it, starting with the safest option first. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick browser fixes, and let's get into it. Method 1 is to delete cookies for a specific website. This is the best place to start because it removes only the problem site's data without clearing everything else. First, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox, then go to Settings and open Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Browsing Data section. Here, look for the option to clear data for a specific site. Click it, then find and select the website that is causing the error. Once you've selected the site, click Remove Selected. This clears that website's stored cookies and usually fixes the cookie too large error right away. If the problem continues, move on to Method 2, which is clearing all browser data. This is a more complete reset for your browsing session, and it can help if multiple sites are affected. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will appear. Make sure cookies and cache are checked. Then set the time range to everything so Firefox removes all saved cookie and cache data. After that, click Clear. Once the process finishes, refresh the page and test the website again. If you're still getting the error after that, the final method is to reset your browser settings. This is useful when Firefox itself has built up settings or extensions causing conflicts. First, click the menu button again. Then go to Help and select More True Showing Information. On that page, look for the Refresh Firefox option. Click Refresh Firefox and confirm the reset. Firefox will restart with a clean configuration while keeping important information like bookmarks and passwords in many cases, but removing problematic browser data and settings that may be causing the issue. After trying these steps, revisit the website and sign in again if needed. In most cases, deleting the cookies for the specific site will solve the error immediately, and if not, clearing browser data or refreshing Firefox should take care of it. If this video helped you fix the 400 bad request cookie too large error, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.